Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the battery in a car remote. Suzuki S-Cross, model year 2025 to 2026. So, here's what we'll need. Definitely a pair of tweezers, definitely some plastic tools, yes, a bit sturdier ones, smaller, larger ones. I've prepared a few. We'll also definitely need something flat, or something like this, kind of like a pair of tweezers, or more accurately, a screwdriver. Or some makeshift tools like that. So, all in all, you'll probably need a few plastic tools so you don't damage the remote. So that it simply isn't damaged after taking it apart. And the tweezers will be needed later to remove the battery. So, to begin the process, we start everything by first taking the remote in hand, then pressing this small button located right here to the side, carefully sliding the cover over and taking out the internal emergency key. Make sure to set it aside in a safe spot so it doesn't get in the way of your work. Now, looking closely right here, as you can clearly see, there's a very specific special indentation located on the back of the remote. Next, we need to carefully pry up this protective cover, because it is tightly secured with clips on all four sides, in order to ensure that it remains completely waterproof. So we are going to need to find a specific piece of equipment, perhaps a specialized prying tool like this one, or another similar version, that will allow us to carefully pry open each of these individual clips so that they gently and safely release their hold. Once they gently open, as you can see, we take a plastic tool and continue with the plastic tool, so that all the other clips come loose for us. From one side, then from the other side. We start slowly from this side and gradually move along. And this way, all the clips will release. Once we finally reach the very end of both sides, we can then simply and carefully remove the other remaining part of the assembly, the other part of the remote. Once we've removed the second part, we can set it aside. And here we have the battery. The battery used inside of this specific remote control is a standard CR2032 lithium cell, so you will definitely need to get another one just like this in order to replace it properly. And now, to begin the process to replace it, we will need to very gently and carefully pry it up from this small slot right here. But at the same time, we need to unhook these two contacts so we don't break them off. We need to unhook these two contacts. It's best to use your finger because they're not very stiff. Gently, once the battery comes up a bit on one side and comes out, now we do the same thing on the other side. Also with your finger, and on the other side we pry it up, lifting the battery upwards so it just comes out. Once the battery comes out, we simply have this here. This is the specific socket for connecting the new replacement battery. So you can simply and conveniently dispose of this old battery, take a brand new one, and then install the new one into the device. To install the new one correctly, take the remote control and carefully begin positioning the battery at a slight angle, just as you can clearly see here, making sure it's held at an angle. And while keeping it at an angle, press it in, sliding it into place. Just push it all the way in and it will catch onto those contacts at the back. And all three contacts should simply have the battery underneath them. Once that's done, now take the other part of the remote. And now we fit it together. To know which part goes where, as you can see here, the hole for the emergency key should line up the same way as this cutout for the battery. So from the other side, we fit one part to the other, just as you can see. And we start to slowly connect them, gently pressing from one side and then the other, from the end to the beginning. And now the remote is assembled. We put the emergency key back in. And now the remote has a new battery and is ready to use again. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.